Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video we will explain to you what a fork means in the crypto world. Let's roll. Blockchain requires a special way of organisation. It works using a consensus mechanism. This means that all participants or nodes of the network should have an agreement about certain points. When there is a consensus, blockchain works as a whole system. However, it happens sometimes that nodes cannot maintain a consensus. Then, blockchain may split into two different blockchains. So, the fork is a change in the software protocol of a blockchain. There are two types of forks: hard fork and soft fork. Let's examine each of them in more detail. A hard fork is a type of permanent change in the network. This type of fork comes from a conflict between the newest version of the blockchain and an older version of nodes. As a result, the necessity to upgrade appears. Hard fork is the most radical solution to the lack of consensus problem. The hard fork means a total update of nodes. A part of the blockchain follows the newest version, and the other part proceeds the same way as it used to. Thus, the fork happens. There are the following main reasons for the hard fork to happen: the necessity to add new functions to the system, the necessity to correct bugs, the necessity to improve the system's protection. A good example of a hard fork is Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency. This crypto was created due to a dispute between the Bitcoin communities on its network scalability. One half of the community wanted Bitcoin to remain unchanged, while the other half of the community felt that Bitcoin needed to evolve. This controversy eventually led to the blockchain split that created Bitcoin Cash. Now let's look closer at the soft fork. The basic idea of a soft fork is the same as the idea of a hard fork. It means changes in the blockchain. The main difference is the scale. When the soft fork happens, usually it concerns only previously valid blocks. They become invalid. Not all the nodes have to update. The old ones can still communicate with the new ones. Although the soft fork is about updates, it does not lead to a blockchain split. As a result, there is still one blockchain as before. A good example of a soft fork implemented successfully is the segregated witness update to the Bitcoin protocol that happened in 2017. This upgrade helped Bitcoin to scale and fix some bugs that represented a risk to its trustless characteristic. Are there any side effects from cryptocurrency's fork? A lot of users think of forks as something dangerous. Luckily, developers learn more about how to execute the procedures of blockchain splitting. The more information they get, the easier it is to protect users. When the blockchain splits, there is a chance for users to make transactions to both blockchains accidentally. In this case, transaction cannot be finished and the user may lose money. To sum up, the fork is a very natural course of events for the blockchain. When it happens, it is important to stay out of panic. Calm mind will help avoid losing some assets. We hope this video was useful and help you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.